Hello, my name is Brooke-Lynne Carbone, and I am the Safe Sports Network athletic trainer. Welcome to the Sports Safety Minute, brought to you by our friends at Watson Group, LLC. Each day, we are surrounded by outside influences to our everyday life. Companies do their best to promote healthy alternatives for us, but do we really know what's in these products or the effects that they pose to our lives, and most importantly, the risks to our children? Let's dive into this episode's sports safety topic, the effects of energy drinks and caffeine on athletes. Energy drinks are advertised as a healthy energy booster to wake you up quickly and to get you ready for what you need to accomplish for the day. Whether it's for your 6 a.m. team lift, you didn't get enough sleep and are tired during class, or you forgot to eat lunch and need a pick-me-up for the afternoon game, it has become more common for athletes to resort to this quick energy boost instead of properly preparing their body for when it needs to be in its best performance. Caffeine is the primary ingredient in these drinks to give you that boost, but did you know that too much caffeine can do more harm than good? The CDC reports that caffeine intake can cause increased heart rate, heart palpitations, high blood pressure, anxiety, sleep problems, digestive problems, and dehydration in children and teens. Other additives found in these drinks include artificial sweeteners, sugar, color additives, and taurine that increases the effects of what caffeine is already doing to the body. Let's take a look at our most popular energy drinks on the market today. When we review the caffeine contents in these popular brands, it's important to remember that everyone has a different tolerance to caffeine. The effects of caffeine can vary greatly from person to person and can be affected by factors such as age, nutrition, sleep, medications, and more. Now add intense exercise to the mix, which is naturally going to increase your heart rate. Think about the additional stress to the cardiovascular system that an adolescent athlete will experience during a game or practice with this amount of caffeine on board. The stimulant alone causes the heart to beat at a faster rate. If we then add exercise for roughly 2 hours, the long-term effect to the heart can be detrimental. Even in the short term, this can cause life-threatening issues for kids on the field who partake in heavy caffeine use before activity even starts. So before grabbing the caffeinated product, ask yourself, what have you done to better care for yourself today? And do you really want to risk potentially irreversible effects from too much caffeine?